DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and DNA is in all of the cells of our body. You can think of it as a blueprint for life. So DNA codes for things like eye color and hair color, but it also tells our bodies how to function. 99% of our DNA is actually the same, which is why we all have 2 arms and 2 legs. But there's 1% of our DNA that's different. And within that 1% are the areas that we look at in forensic DNA analysis. And these areas don't actually code for anything, but they differ among all of us based on the size of the pieces of DNA. So that's how I obtain a DNA profile. I'm looking for the different size pieces of DNA. I put it all together, and then I'm able to compare the evidentiary DNA profile to the known sample DNA profile. So I can actually get a DNA profile from many different kinds of samples. For example, sometimes there are food items left at the scene of a crime, like a piece of cheese or a donut that's half eaten. I can actually swab those for the skin cells that are in our saliva and obtain a DNA profile from that. Sometimes there are things like cell phones or guns or other things that are left at the scene of a crime. And I can also swab those for the skin cells that may have come from our perspiration or our sweat. So there's a lot that we can do with DNA analysis as far as getting a DNA profile from many different types of evidence.